हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। सो लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने कॉन्सेप्ट और एप्लीकेशन देखा अबाउट कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री। ओके, तो आज हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज के लिए, फर्स्ट प्रैक्टिस सेट के लिए। वी गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट a distance formula. Okay, so what is distance formula? Let me just try to explain you. Okay, so suppose we have two axes, say x axis and y axis, which are the coordinate axis. Here we have, okay, these are the coordinate axis, and I have 2 points. Suppose I have a point point A whose coordinates are x1 comma y1. Okay, and somewhere I have a point B. This is point B whose coordinates are x2 comma y2. Okay, now I want to know what is the distance, between these 2 points. So I want to find out the distance. D I will denote as distance between points A comma B. I can also call it as AB. I want to find. How will I find? What is the formula for that? Suppose I join these 2 points. Okay, so I want to find out this AB distance. Okay, so what is the formula? It is a very simple formula for this. Which is called as the distance formula. It is the distance formula. Okay, what does distance formula state? Distance A comma B equal to under root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So this is what is called as a distance formula. देखो, distance between A and B, this distance or length, whatever you want to call, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, and we have a square root, right? So this is the distance formula. This we will use in the practice set, first practice set. Okay, so this is what we call as the distance formula. Okay, so it's a distance formula. Let me clear a couple of points before we move ahead. x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1. What you take first doesn't matter. You take x2 first or you take x1 first. यहाँ पे मैं x1 minus x2 the whole square भी ले सकता हूँ. x2 minus x1 के बदले I can also take x1 minus x2 the whole square. Here y2 minus y1, instead of y2 minus y1 I can take y1 minus y2 the whole square. In any order I take, it doesn't matter, right? Because we are actually doing the square. So don't get confused which to take first, but remember x minus x and y minus y. Don't do x minus y, that will be wrong. तो x में से x subtract करो, y में से y coordinate subtract करो, and you will be fine to go. Okay, so let us go for the practice set questions quickly. Okay, so this was the basic distance formula. We'll solve some simple questions based on that. Okay, so first question in the practice set, let's take that quickly. So 5.1. First question is find the distance between each of the following pairs of points. Okay, so I will solve a couple of questions. I am very sure that remaining you can solve with confidence. Okay, so don't worry, I will solve it properly and you try the remaining out. Okay, so let me take 1 or 2 from this. Let me take the more difficult ones. So let me take say question number 3 first. Third one in the question first. So question first, third sub question. The points are given as r 0 comma minus 3 and s. These are the coordinates if you remember, 0 comma 5 by 2. So we have to find the distance between these 2 points. So you have to find the distance between 0 comma minus 3 and 0 comma 5 by 2. That means we have to find what distance r comma s. Can I write it as s comma r? Yes, no problem, you can write it that way also. So we want to find this, we want to find distance r comma s. So first you have to write like this. See, you have to represent the coordinates like this. Let this correspond to say x1 comma y1. So let this part be x1 comma y1, okay, and let s0 comma 5/2 इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? Let that correspond to x2 comma y2. If you remember, in the formula we had this x1 y1 and x2 y2. Okay, now what is the distance formula? Distance s comma r. By distance formula you have to write by distance formula we get, okay, what do we get? Distance s comma r, I will just write the formula first here. That is what? x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, now just check from here. See, this is I wrote the values here. I will write it like this, x2 and y2. See now how simple it is. x2 minus x1, 0 minus 0, doesn't matter, 0 minus 0 is 0 only. So I'll write 0 the whole square plus, even if you don't write it doesn't matter, but write it for the purpose of the steps to be written. y2 minus 5. So what is y2? 5/2 minus y1 क्या है? -3. So minus 3 and then you will do the whole square. Are you getting it? तो y2 -3 तो पहले से था हमारे पास, तो वी सब्स्टिट्यूटेड दैट, और यहाँ पे जो माइनस साइन है वो फॉर्मूला से आया है. ये माइनस साइन कहाँ से आया? y1 का, इट इज़ फ्रॉम y1 कोऑर्डिनेट. दैट्स ओके. आई होप यू गॉट दिस. डोंट डू अ मिस्टेक इन दिस स्टेप. सो नाउ इट इज simply 5/2 plus 3 the whole square. So I hope you can do the calculation part. Distance s comma r, that will be equal to what now? 5/2, the 5/2 plus 3. So just do the calculation here. 5 plus 6 upon 2 the whole square. Okay, that is 5 plus 6 is 11 upon 2 the whole square. So this is distance s comma r. Now square root and square will cancel, so therefore distance, instead of saying square root and square will cancel, we should write the step as, say, squaring on both the sides or something like that, and from that you can get also. Okay, so distance s comma r would be, here you cannot do squaring, so that is a wrong step. If I say here, simply you have to state that therefore this is half power and this is square, so it gets cancelled. No squaring here, I am sorry. That is simply 11 upon 2. So square root and square gets cancelled, and this is your final answer. Okay, this is the first one. I hope you got this. Very simple calculation is that. Be careful only in this step. बाकी का पूरा easy है फिर, है ना? Right? ठीक है. So let us solve one more from this. Okay. So let us solve one more. चलो तो और एक करते हैं. Let me take another question with some calculations in it. Let me take the 6th one, say. Okay. Because it is having fractions, so I am taking that 6th sub question. Okay, so that you have some practice of calculations also. W minus 7 upon 2 comma 4, और दूसरा क्या दिया है? X is 11 comma 4. Okay, so हे दोनों, these 2 points are given. Okay, so we have to क्या निकालना है? Distance W comma X. Okay, that we have to find. तो find में आ जाएगा ये, right? What is the distance formula? First write the formula. By distance formula we have to write that way, is equal to, what is the formula? x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. That is the formula. Now just do the substitution. This is x1, this is y1. You have to write it here. Okay, just write it down here. I am omitting that step now. x2 comma y2. Okay. So how will you write that part now? Just substitute it. x2 minus x1, 11 minus 7 by 2 the whole square. So again be careful, right? 11 minus 7 by 2 the whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1. y2 is 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 the whole square. Okay. So now what will happen? Again square root. This will be 11 plus 7 by 2 the whole square. Right? ये तो 0 हो जाएगा. So we don't need to worry. 4 minus 4 0 निकल गया. Again here we have 11 2s are 22 plus 7. So 22 plus 7 upon 2. I hope you know this cross multiplication, right? So this is 22 plus 7, 29. So 29 upon 2. So that is square root of 29 upon 2, right? So therefore distance of w comma x, that is distance w comma x means distance wx, that is, right, square I forgot, see the mistake, right? I forgot the square. You cannot do that, right? Otherwise there is a problem, right? So don't repeat this mistake. You cannot forget the square, right? We have to write the square. After calculation, don't forget the square. So square and square root cancels, so we get 29 upon 2, and that should be the final answer, right? So this is for the 6th question.